Pulp molding equipment plays a key role in improving the sustainable management of usable resources. First, it uses recyclable materials like waste paper as raw materials, reducing the demand for virgin wood and alleviating pressure on forests, thus achieving efficient resource recycling. Second, pulp molded products are biodegradable and renewable, naturally decomposing after use without causing long-term environmental burden. They effectively replace traditional plastic products, which are difficult to degrade. Moreover, the production process of pulp molding equipment is eco-friendly and energy efficient, primarily relying on hydraulic and mechanical forces, which reduces chemical pollution and energy consumption, resulting in lower carbon emissions. Beston's continuous technological optimization further enhances production efficiency and reduces resource consumption. Finally, the development of the pulp molding industry has driven the green transformation of related industries, such as waste paper recycling and environmental equipment manufacturing, forming a complete green industrial chain. It provides an effective solution for sustainable resource management and contributes to building a greener future.